Hello everyone, welcome to Mishi Arts. Today we are going to learn how to make this cute infinity scarf that is very easy and simple to make, and you can make it within a couple of hours definitely. So the stitch I have used in this is a V stitch, and it has started from here, and the yarn I have used is from Nafis collection, the chunky yarn. It is 100% cotton and very soft yarn, as you can see. And so let's get started. For this, what you will need is, so you'll be needing a yarn. Here I'm using a bulky chunky yarn that is 100% cotton and very soft. And for this I'm using 6.5 mm hook, and you'll also be needing a pair of scissors. So let's get started. Yeah, first going to start with a slip knot. And chain 23. After doing your 23 chains, or you can say the foundation chains, now we are going to start our first row. For this we are going to work into the fourth chain from our hook. So this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yarn over, we are going to make a double crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through rest of the 2. This is called a double crochet in US. Now chain 1 and again a double crochet into the same chain we did. So this forms our first V stitch. Now what you have to do, skip 2 chains of foundation, and into the third one make a double crochet. Chain 1, again a double crochet into the same chain. Skip 2, into the third one make double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. You are going to work like this till the end of your foundation chain. At the end of this round, at the end of this row, you can see one chain is left. In this chain, we are going to make a double crochet. And our first row is completed. How to start the second row? We are going to chain 3 and turn our work. Now we are going to work into the chain 1 spaces that we made of our V stitch. So, and the pattern will be the same. So we are going to work in this double crochet, chain 1, double crochet into the same chain space. Now come to the second chain space of the second V-stitch, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. In this way, we are going to complete our whole second row, and over here on this chains we are going to make, over here we are going to pull this double crochet in this also. Again, chain 3, turn your work and continue as much as whatsoever your desired length is. So let me show you when I have completed this whole scarf. So here I am, I have completed my scarf. I showed you till the second row, and now after that, continuing back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, I have completed 50 rows. You can make as much long as you want. You can make your desired length, and after that fasten off your work, and after fasten off you can weave in your ends. And I have over here used fringes at both of the ends. Now for the fringes, you can see my video that I have made of fringes, how to make the fringes. You can write Mishi yarn fringes and the video will come, or you can also see in the description box. For the yarn review, you can go into the description box, and over there it is mentioned that what is the yarn all about. Once again, thank you so much Nafis Collection for providing such a chunky and a beautiful soft yarn that is very fun and easy to make with. So I hope you like this video. Please do comment and do subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed, and also click on the bell button so that whenever the new video is uploaded you can be notified. Have a great day. Thank you so much.